So let's just talk about few of the key differences between JSON and BSON. So JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, where BSON stands for binary JSON. So BSON is basically one extension to the JSON format. So let's just talk about few of the key differences between them. So first of all, JSON is a human readable text, wherein BSON is one binary encoded format. So JSON is basically designed for its simplicity and easy human readability, wherein BSON, this is one extension to the JSON. It has this binary encoded format, and that is basically designed for faster storage and parsing in the MongoDB database. Secondly, JSON has limited number of data type, wherein BSON we have more data types. So BSON includes all the data types that are in JSON, and also it has some additional data types, like we have the object ID, we have the date. So these data types are added in BSON so that we can have efficient storage and retrieval of data from MongoDB database. Thirdly, JSON has larger file size, wherein BSON we have smaller file size. Because JSON uses text format, wherein BSON it uses binary encoding, that's why the file size is smaller. And in case of parsing, JSON is slower, where BSON is lot more faster than JSON. That's because JSON is text based, where BSON is binary encoded. So JSON is basically designed for data interchange because of its simplicity and easy human readability, where in case of BSON, that is specifically designed for data storage in MongoDB. And also in case of compression, JSON is less efficient for compression, where in case of BSON, it is more efficient for compression. So in summary, JSON is a widely used data interchange format because this is simple, that is easier to read, where in case BSON, this is one extension to the JSON, where in BSON we have additional data types along with the data types that are in JSON. And the BSON is specifically designed for the MongoDB database so that we can store and retrieve data very efficiently. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.